Assalamu alaikum. My name is Vakas and I am currently working as a YouTuber and my channel name is Csciencetuts. I am making this video because I am using the Tubebuddy app for my YouTube channel for the growth of my channel, and I get many benefits from this app. Basically, I watch many videos regarding to this app on YouTube channels. Many YouTubers prefer me and many other YouTubers, and basically YouTube community also provides suggestions to use this app, and I am also study in detail about this app. So I get many benefits from this app. First benefit which I got from this app in my YouTube channel, that is, it helps me in providing basic keywords which should be used in my videos, so that many viewers watch my video, and I can earn a lot. I can earn money from that. So first major advantage of using this app is that it helps me in discussion, in helping me specific keywords regarding to my YouTube video. Second main advantage of this app is it provide detailed information about info cards, some major templates, built-in templates which help me in selecting thumbnails for the better thumbnail, so that many viewers can come on my video regarding to the selection of thumbnail. Third major advantage which I personally said that which basic important advantage of this app is it helps us regarding to improvement in the key tags, basically tags which should be used in the video. It provide the basically it provides related keywords which should be used for that video that I am uploading on the my YouTube channel. It helps me to select only those tags which are more important for my video, rather than providing me some other topics related tags. So it means it is best app. So that's why I am using this, and it helps me in a lot for my YouTube community, helping in promoting my videos to all other subscribers, and it also affect my YouTube channels also. So I prefer to use this app. It helps a lot in growing the YouTube channel, and it also helps new YouTubers which are not important, which are not you can say that which they have not knowledge about using keywords, titles in their videos. This app will help them a lot, because I got many benefit from using this app, which I told you all about this. So I will say that new YouTubers must go with this app. This app will help a lot. Thanks.